I just picked up what I think are Abercrombie's best items right now. Pants, jackets, shirts, quite literally everything that you need to build the perfect wardrobe. Whether you want to get some new essentials, statement pieces, or completely rebuild your wardrobe, by the end of this video, you will have completely elevated your wardrobe. Now look, Abercrombie is by no means the cheapest brand, but I did buy 10 pieces and it costed me less than $1,000. So not bad. And in fact, there was only one item that costed over $100. So there's definitely something for everybody. And I think we should start off with the most essential, which is a good fitting pair of denim. Nowadays, there are so many different types of styles and fits when it comes to jeans, but I consider the straight leg to be the most timeless and versatile piece. This is the most casual and what I like to call the do anything, wear anywhere pair of jeans. This is the 90s straight leg jean in the light wash color, but I gotta say, their selection of colors is insane. If I was really rebuilding my wardrobe, I would definitely go with the color black, but I feel like if you watch any of my other videos, all you see me in is in black jeans. So switching it up, the light wash color looks amazing. Like I said, very versatile. If you like anything and you want to pick it up for yourself, everything is going to be tagged below as well as in the description. And since we're creating a wardrobe from scratch, I think it's important to keep in mind that you should be able to have something for any occasion. So now that we have casual pants down, it only makes sense to go with something a little bit more sophisticated. So I recommend a pair of trousers. These are perfect for those times that you want to dress more mature, a little bit more old money, and I love these pleated trousers. These are a great standout piece that I would wear to dinners, to dates. In one of my last videos, I got caught and flamed on for having Hinge. Assuming that I secure something on Hinge, I would be wearing these pleated trousers. Jokes aside, this is really going to elevate your style, especially if you're on the younger side. You are going to be dressing better than so many people your age just by throwing this one thing on. And assuming that we're on a budget, these are really the only two pairs of pants that you need. And I got this pair of trousers in this more brown color, perfect for the fall, and these darker tones are really easy to style. Moving on to sweaters, if there's one thing I recommend for the current season, it's a good piece of knitwear. Starting off with the Cozy Crew sweater. At first glance, this looks very basic, but because of the texture and the slight coloration, this is what I like to call elevated basics. Simple pieces that by no means are out there, but there's just something about them that look like class. It's relaxed. It looks good anywhere, and if I was really rebuilding my wardrobe from scratch, these are the kind of items that I would focus on. It's really all about versatility, and a piece like this is probably as versatile as it gets. I also love the way it fits around my neck. It's extremely soft, and I could wear this with both pairs of pants that are in my wardrobe. If that doesn't scream versatility, I don't know what does. This piece is so gorgeous. I mean, just look at it. Holy texture. That was a little brain rot reference if you didn't get that. This is a chunky waffle crew sweater. Has this open knit design. Disclaimer, you can see a little bit of skin if you're kind of close, but it's incredibly comfortable to wear all day because some sweaters get a little bit scratchy. This one's the complete opposite, but I do think it would look good with a white shirt peeking underneath, but even just by itself, looks fantastic. Again, brown color. I absolutely love these. And although it is a sweater, I don't think that this one is too formal. And that just comes down to the fit because this one has a more boxy fit. It's a lot more relaxed and casual. So think of this as the perfect in-between of casual and a little bit preppy. In case you're wondering, everything that I got is in a size small, and for reference, I'm 5'8", 155 pounds, and absolutely everything is going to be linked in the description as well as right here on YouTube Shopping. But if you do want to try something a little bit more mature, the next sweater is this cable knit sweater that I got in the color red, which I'll be honest is pretty loud and bold, but it is nice to have at least one item in a bold color, and I think this is the perfect one, especially for the season. I could see myself wearing this to some nice Christmas dinners. The red makes it look very festive, and I also really like the fit. It doesn't taper down like most sweaters. It's more of a straight fit, which I think is quite unique with sweaters. This is a great piece to look good if you are going to a casual party or maybe something like an office, maybe if you have like an internship after school. This is the perfect item. They also have this in all black, but I actually really like the red one because you could see the texture more, and since it's that cable knit design, I absolutely love it. I'm gonna be wearing this a ton. Okay, now moving on to those days where you're just kicking back, maybe you're just hanging out with the boys. The goal should be to dress casual, but still absolutely mug all of your friends. For this occasion, I am going to go with the merino wool half zip. I love a good quarter zip sweater. This black color I actually got last year, but I recently saw that they went back in stock, just in different colors. But this one for a while has been one of my favorite quarter zip sweaters in my entire wardrobe. It's super comfortable, and I really can't stress the fact that any guy will look so much better just wearing a sweater like this one. It's very finance bro-esque, which is a pretty cool vibe to have in my opinion. It's items like this that make me absolutely love Abercrombie, because when it comes to men's fashion, It's all about the small details. And that's why I really like Abercrombie, because each one of their items have slight details to make it look a little bit better. And everything so far has still been less than $100. And I really like this because it's a slim fit. So let's say you've been hitting the gym, this is gonna show off the physique. It's slim on the shoulders and chest, but it doesn't fit like a compression shirt on your stomach. Another item that you could wear just hanging out with friends is the flannel. Actually, this one is a cropped flannel, which makes it look so much better. This looks so cool. It turns a basic item to look that much better. It's comfortable, easy to wear. That's what I'm wearing right now. And I absolutely love the color. Dark greens just look fantastic. Again, especially for the current season. And now having this piece, I genuinely think that cropped button downs are 100% the move. You could actually wear this one by itself or with a piece underneath, depending on the weather. You're definitely gonna see me a lot in this item. I kind of want to go and buy more colors. Now for this video, I really only picked up one overshirt, but it goes without saying, Abercrombie has a ton more that I definitely do recommend checking out. Maybe something is a little bit more in your style, but since we're just building a wardrobe from scratch, I really value minimalism, and these are the items that I valued most. For the jackets, this is where it tends to get a little bit more pricey, but from experience, they are so worth the money. First one I should talk about is the wool blend jacket. Wool looks so incredibly sophisticated. This has a great structure that holds up very well, and wool is known to keep you a little bit more warm throughout the colder season. So definitely an essential. And despite the price being a little bit more out there, it's just one of those items that's worth investing more money into. I've tried cheaper jackets. They don't keep you as warm. They don't hold that structure that I was talking about earlier. And considering that I've had jackets from Abercrombie for well over a couple years now, I think it's 100% worth the money. But going back to what I was talking about structure, that is by far the best thing that you could look for when it comes to overshirts and jackets. Think of a good structured piece as the push-up bra for men. This makes your physique look so much better, makes your shoulders look more broad, gives you a more masculine appearance. And if I were to give a trophy to the pieces that have the best structure, it's definitely the flannel that I'm wearing and that wool jacket. Since I only picked up one jacket for today's video, one honorable mention that I got last year that is still available on the website is the vegan leather jacket. Just know that vegan leather just means fake leather. This has a cropped fit. I still love this one. And the fact that I've had this for well over a year now and it still looks this good just kind of goes to show that Abercrombie items are definitely worth the money. Now, for the piece that every guy will look good in, and pretty much every guy should own, is a good hoodie. This is something that you can wear everywhere. Most guys get too comfortable in a hoodie, and this hoodie is definitely one of those ones that you would be comfortable enough to wear every day. I got this in a dark red color because if I'm just gonna be wearing a simple hoodie, I wanna make it stand out a little bit more. And you could definitely do that with good colors. Like I said, I got this dark red one, which I absolutely love. But I will say the selection of colors for hoodies specifically, Abercrombie has so many, down to camo or just plain colors. This is one of those hoodies that has the perfect fit. There's just something about the way these look that I will never get tired of. The structure that I was talking about earlier. You would think that a hoodie probably has no structure, but a good quality hoodie definitely does. And that is really hard to find. So I'm glad I found this one from Abercrombie, especially considering the price. Absolutely worth the money. Like I said, boys, everything is going to be linked in the description as well as right here on YouTube Shopping. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.